The Boeing Megafactory, located in Everett, Washington, is a colossal monument to aerospace engineering, representing the apex of industrial scale, precision, and innovation. As the largest building in the world by volume, it covers an astonishing 98.7 acres and houses the production lines for some of the most iconic aircraft in aviation history, including the Boeing 747, 767, 777, and the 787 Dreamliner. This vast facility, which has become synonymous with Boeing's global dominance in commercial aircraft manufacturing, is a marvel of modern engineering and logistics. The factory operates as a self-contained city, complete with its own amenities, including a fire department, security services, and even a dedicated underground network of tunnels to facilitate the movement of parts and personnel. The production lines within this megafactory are a blend of cutting-edge automation and human craftsmanship, where thousands of highly skilled workers collaborate with advanced robotics to assemble aircraft that are as complex as they are massive. Each assembly line is a carefully orchestrated ballet of components, coming together with precision timing to ensure that every piece of the aircraft fits perfectly. Massive gantry cranes, capable of lifting hundreds of tons, traverse the factory's ceilings, moving enormous sections of fuselage and wing assemblies to different stages of the production process. The scale of operations is almost unfathomable, with the factory running multiple shifts around the clock to keep up with the global demand for Boeing's aircraft. The production process is a feat of logistical mastery, involving thousands of suppliers from around the world, each contributing components that must meet Boeing's exacting standards for quality and reliability. Every stage of the assembly is meticulously planned and monitored, from the initial construction of fuselage sections to the installation of engines, avionics, and interior cabins. The factory's ability to produce multiple aircraft models simultaneously is a testament to its flexibility and advanced production capabilities. The 787 Dreamliner, for example, is assembled using large composite sections that are flown into the factory from Boeing's global partners using the specially designed Dreamlifter cargo aircraft. This approach not only speeds up production but also allows Boeing to maintain tight control over the quality and consistency of its aircraft. The facility's advanced automation systems include robotic drilling and fastening machines, which ensure that every rivet and bolt is placed with pinpoint accuracy, reducing human error and increasing efficiency. Despite the high level of automation, the human touch is still crucial in many areas of production, particularly in the final assembly and testing phases. Here, Boeing's skilled workforce performs intricate tasks, such as wiring the aircraft's complex electrical systems, installing the engines, and fitting out the interiors to meet the bespoke requirements of airlines around the world. The sheer scale of the aircraft produced at the Everett facility necessitates some unique logistical solutions. For example, the factory has its own dedicated railway spur, used to transport large components and raw materials directly into the production areas. This reduces the need for overland transportation and helps streamline the supply chain. Additionally, Boeing has invested heavily in sustainability initiatives within the factory. These include the use of energy-efficient lighting and climate control systems, extensive recycling programs, and the implementation of green building practices to minimize the environmental impact of such a large-scale industrial operation. Once assembly is complete, each aircraft is moved to the adjacent flight line for rigorous testing. This includes everything from ground tests of systems and engines to initial taxi trials and, eventually, the first test flights. Boeing's test pilots, who are among the best in the industry, put each aircraft through its paces, ensuring that every system operates flawlessly before the plane is delivered to the customer. The delivery process itself is a significant event, with airlines from around the world sending teams to the Everett facility to take possession of their new aircraft. These deliveries are often celebrated with ceremonies that highlight the close partnerships Boeing has with its customers. The factory's impact on the local and global economy cannot be overstated. It employs tens of thousands of workers and supports countless jobs in the surrounding region, from suppliers to service providers. Moreover, the technological advancements made within this facility have had far-reaching implications for the broader aerospace industry, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in terms of aircraft design, materials science, and production techniques. The Boeing Megafactory is not just a production facility. It is a symbol of American industrial might and ingenuity. It represents the culmination of decades of experience in aircraft manufacturing, combined with a relentless drive to innovate and improve. Every aircraft that emerges from its assembly lines carries with it the weight of this legacy, as well as the promise of continued excellence in aviation. The factory's role in shaping the future of air travel is evident in every detail, from the cutting-edge materials used in the construction of the 787 Dreamliner to the advanced aerodynamics of the 777X. These innovations are not just about making better airplanes. They are about transforming the way people and goods move around the world. The Everett facility is a critical hub in Boeing's global network, which includes other production sites in the United States and abroad, as well as a vast supply chain that stretches across continents. The coordination required to manage this complex ecosystem is staggering. Yet Boeing has mastered it, delivering aircraft on time and on budget to customers in every corner of the globe. As Boeing looks to the future, the Everett factory will continue to play a central role in its strategy. With new models like the 777X and potential future aircraft on the horizon, the facility's capacity for innovation and large-scale production will be more important than ever. The factory is also likely to see continued investment in automation and digital technologies, further enhancing its efficiency and capability. In conclusion, the Boeing Megafactory in Everett is more than just a place where airplanes are built. It is a powerhouse of technological innovation, a cornerstone of the global aerospace industry, and a symbol of the incredible feats that can be achieved when human ingenuity and cutting-edge technology come together on an unprecedented scale. Its impact on the aviation world is immeasurable, and its contributions to the future of flight will be felt for generations to come.